everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Candy Crush Saga application on your iOS device. To download and install the popular Candy Crush Saga application, first of all go ahead and open your App Store from your iOS device. Now tap on the search box at the bottom right and then go to the top of the screen and inside the search box type in Candy Crush Saga and search. Look for this application and tap on the install or the get button to start downloading Candy Crush Saga on your iOS. Candy Crush Saga is a popular match 3 puzzle game developed by King. It is available on iOS, Android devices, Facebook, Windows Phone, and Windows 10. It was initially released on April 12, 2012. The goal of Candy Crush Saga is to match 3 or more candies of the same type to clear them from the game board and complete objectives. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the application will be downloaded and it will be ready for use. Simply tap on the open button to start playing Candy Crush Saga on your iOS just like that. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.